Deciding between ordinary rentals and a true Mallorca luxury villa? Standard rentals. Cramped interiors, limited views, crowded terraces. Villa blue sky. Spacious 520 m². Panoramic sea views, private terraces. Standard pools. Small or shared, noisy, no privacy. Villa blue sky pool. Infinity feel. Elegant lounges. Optional jacuzzi. Typical kitchens, basic appliances not equipped for real cooking. Villa kitchen, chef-ready island, integrated appliances, indoor-outdoor flow. Standard bedrooms, compact, generic furnishings, limited storage space. Villa bedrooms, 4 designer rooms, sleeps 8, spacious wardrobes. Entertainment at typical rentals. Weak TV, no cinema experience. Villa blue sky cinema-style setup turns nights into special events. Location comparison. Generic spots versus Puerto de Andratx's upscale coastal vibe. Guest highlights: cleanliness, comfort, outstanding views, well-prepared stays. Buying advice: choose Villa Blue Sky for privacy, luxury, secure dates. Book now via description link. Best dates fill quickly.